Well, here we're folding the Vixen main planes, ready to remove the starboard engine. These aircraft were designed to have the engine removed with the wings folded so that the evolution could be carried out on the ship. It also makes life easier when we're using an indoor gantry. This is the starboard engine we're removing for engineering purposes. Two guys are just putting the sling on here. Preparation work has already been done. It's about 3 days' work to prepare the engine to be lifted. There's lots of pipes and connections to be disconnected in the engine bay before we can lift the engine. You can see from the video clip here that the engine is quite a tight fit in the airframe. There isn't a lot of spare space on either side or fore and aft, so we have to lift the engine very, very carefully and make sure that we're not damaging any of the components inside the airframe or on the actual engine itself. These engines are known as ECUs, engine change units. They were designed to be changed over as a complete engine rather than trying to repair the engine whilst embarked at sea or on board on the squadron. So the engine would be removed, parcelled up and sent back to Rolls-Royce for servicing, and a new engine or a new refurbished engine would be fitted in its place.
Hold her there, we need to move the other one.
This is the starboard engine. The Vixen has two, port and starboard. We're taking this engine out so that we can lift the compressor casing as part of the maintenance schedule. So every year we will take an engine out, lift the compressor casing so that we can inspect internally the compressor, the combustion chambers and the turbine of the engine. And this is more easily done using a borescope and Mark 1 eyeball if the compressor casing is removed, because we can access the first 10 stages of the compressor. We're looking into the aircraft from the tail section now, where the jet pipe would be. You can see that it's a very, very complex aeroplane, and the engineering that was required to design and build this in the 50s and 60s was really quite remarkable. The airframe is in very, very good condition. There's not very much in the way of corrosion or internal damage, and one of the things we'll be doing whilst the engine is removed is carrying out a thorough inspection of the interior of the airframe and making sure that there's nothing that needs to be repaired or corrosion to be treated.